Sickle cell trait. How does it protect against malaria? Sickle cell trait is an interesting genetic condition. It occurs when a person inherits one normal hemoglobin gene and one sickle hemoglobin gene. This unique combination offers some protection against severe malaria, particularly from the parasite known as Plasmodium falciparum. The protection stems from several biological processes that interfere with the parasite's ability to thrive in red blood cells. When malaria infects red blood cells with sickle cell trait, the abnormal hemoglobin causes these cells to sickle under low oxygen conditions. This sickling happens in the microcirculation, where infected cells often gather. When the malaria parasite infects these sickle trait red blood cells, the sickling process kicks in prematurely. This disrupts the parasite's development within the cells, halting its growth before it can replicate and complete its life cycle. As a result, fewer parasites mature, leading to fewer infected red blood cells that can spread the infection. Moreover, the immune system can recognize and clear these sickled infected red blood cells more effectively. This means that the parasite has less time to multiply, which results in milder malaria symptoms. Individuals with sickle cell trait often experience lower rates of hospitalization, blood transfusions, and even death compared to those with normal hemoglobin. Another factor is that individuals with sickle cell trait experience a continuous low-level breakdown of misshapen red blood cells. This process helps their bodies efficiently clear damaged cells and detoxify harmful byproducts. This enhanced cleanup system also limits the severity of malaria by preventing excessive immune responses that could lead to complications. Interestingly, research shows that having sickle cell trait may help develop acquired immunity to malaria over time. Studies indicate that children with sickle cell trait tend to build stronger immune responses against malaria as they age, compared to those without the trait. It is crucial to note that having sickle cell disease, which involves two copies of the sickle gene, does not provide this protective effect. In fact, individuals with sickle cell disease face higher mortality rates from malaria due to the severe complications associated with the disease itself. In summary, sickle cell trait offers protection against malaria primarily by causing premature sickling of infected red blood cells. This process inhibits the growth of the malaria parasite and promotes immune clearance. As a result, individuals with sickle cell trait generally experience lower parasite loads and milder illness. This evolutionary advantage explains why the sickle cell gene remains prevalent in regions where malaria is common, despite the risks posed by sickle cell disease.